It's that time of day to practice your English. In today's video, you are going to be improving your English listening and comprehension. Watching the news is a really good way to improve your English. Newsround is a UK news channel that is made for children, so it has easier language to understand. So it's really good for improving your English. In today's video, I want you to watch this video. Should the UK ban social media for under 16-year-olds? And then I'm going to ask you some questions and teach you some new vocabulary from this video. So first of all, you have to watch this video in the link. Now I want you to come back to this video and answer the questions and learn about the new vocabulary in the video. Okay, now you're back from watching the video. I'm going to ask you some questions first. Which country became the first country to ban social media to children under 16? Australia. Australia banned social media for under 16-year-olds. Question number 2. I've got my book. Which country might be the second to ban social media? Which country is talking about banning social media soon? France. France might be the second country to ban social media. This particular video is about UK regulations to ban social media. So they spoke to some teenagers and asked them what they think. What are some of the reasons that the children said it is a good idea to ban social media? One of the girls said it is harmful because you do not know who is behind the screen. Now tell me, what are some of the good things, the positive things about having social media for under 16 and not banning it? One of them said social media helps you to connect with different communities. It helps you to connect with new friends. What is one of the suggestions that one of the children had instead of banning it, to do something else instead of banning it? She said to have a curfew, to set a curfew. Now, curfew means limit the time you are allowed on social media. So, for example, after 8 p.m, you are not allowed to use social media, or limit the time, limit the screen time. So instead of completely banning it, to set a curfew, so limit the time. When they spoke to the social media safety officer, what are the positive effects of banning social media to young people? What did he say? He said they will spend less time on their phones and more time engaging with their community, and this will give them more time for spending time with friends and physical activity instead of being on their phone all the time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped. It is a different way to learn English. So I hope you watched that video, could understand native English speakers. And I hope you liked learning English with my cat. He really wanted to get involved in today's video. So he is now tired. He's going for a nap. So I'll see you later. Bye.